Question is, each year Andy pays into a savings scheme. In year 1 he pays 600 sterling pound. His payment increases by 120 sterling pound each year, so that he pays 720 in year 2, 840 in year 3, and so on. So first we have Andy, and he is saving first month 600, then 720, then 840. So this is first year, this is second year, this is third year. Each year this is the saving, and so on. And it is forming an arithmetic. So it's an arithmetic series. So A is 600 and D is, the common difference is 720 minus 600, that is 120. It is already given here. Now the question says is, find out how much Andy pays into the saving scheme in year 10. So this is the first year, second year, third year. When it comes year 10, what will be the saving here? That is what they are asking. In most of the question, when they ask about a particular year, so we use this formula, A plus n minus 1 D for nth term. And for n terms, they always ask sum of n terms. So sum of n term is n over 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is. Now he is asking year 10. So in 10th year, so it means this n is 10. So 10th term will be for 10th term n is 10. So our formula is A plus n minus 1 to D. A is 600, that is the first term. N is which year you want to know the saving, in 10th year. So this is 10 minus 1 multiply D. D is 120. So that is 600 plus 9 multiply 120. So that is 1,600 sterling pound and he pays for saving scheme. So the answer is 1,600 sterling pound in year 10. Now there's another case is for the same question. It says that now we talk about the Kim. She starts paying money into a different saving scheme at the same time as Andy. So in year 1 she pays 1. So I can write it here for the Kim. So she pays 130. Her payment increases each year so that she pays 210 in second year and 290. So it goes like this. So Kim is paying 130, 210, 290. This is the first year, second year, third year. And the difference is 80. 290 minus 210 is 80. So here A is equal to 130 and common difference is 80. So that her payments form an arithmetic sequence. Yes. At the end of year N, Andy has paid in total twice as much money into her saving account as Kim has paid. Suppose after, just an example, suppose after 20 years, Andy has paid in total twice as much money. Suppose after 20 years, this one has paid say 10,000. Then Kim has paid 10,000 multiplied by 2. She has paid double. Means she has paid 20,000. If this one has paid 10,000. So if this one has paid x, this one is paid 2x. So to make it equal, we have to multiply this by 2. Now let's come back to the question. So total money paid by Kim at the end of n years. So that is, so the total sum paid by Kim is equal to n over 2, we don't know n, 2a, a is equal to 130 plus n minus 1, d is 80. So this is the sum of the money paid by Kim at the end of n years. Now let's find the total money paid by Andy. So SA will be n over 2, 2a is 600 plus n minus 1 and d is 120. This is the money paid by Andy, the total money paid by Andy after the end of n years, say 10 years, 20 years or whatever year. And this is the, in both the cases the n is equal, the number of years is equal. So, but this amount is double than twice as much as money into saving account as Kim. This is twice. This money is double. Andy has paid in total twice as much money in saving as Kim. Andy has paid double, not Kim. Andy has paid double. This is a double money. So to make it equal, we have to multiply this by 2. So our equation is n over 2, this is 260 plus 80n minus 80, and this one is n over 2, that is 1200 plus 20n minus 120. This is the money saved by Andy and this is the money saved by Kim. But Andy, she has paid or saved twice as money into account as Kim. So this is double. So we have to multiply it by 2 to make it equal. N is same, cancel. So our equation is 260 minus 80 is 180 minus 80n is equal to 1200 minus 120 is 1080 plus 20n, so that is 180 minus 80n is equal to 540. I am dividing this both sides by 2 plus 10n. This is 540 minus 180 is equal to minus 80 minus 10, and why the n is coming negative? Now this 80n is positive. This is positive. So this is positive minus 10n. Still there's some mistake somewhere, because it cannot be like that. So this is 120, this is 120, this is 120, so this is 60, so this is 60, so that is 360 is equal to 20n. So n is equal to 360 over 20. So that is 18 years. So you have seen that we have committed 2 mistakes here, but we realized quickly. The reason is the question is very clearly says that n is a natural number. It cannot be it's an integer. Positive integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cannot be 3.2 or 7.8. So that's why we come to know its exact number, and we realize our mistake here. When you do your exam, make sure these are the areas where you miss the points. I've seen so many students, they have the concept, they do everything, but they do the mistake in the beginning. For example, just writing 70 here by mistake, and they get 0. So make sure, if you find your answer is not matching, you must recheck your calculation. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.